Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos to your camera roll. So first up, what you need to do is to open your Pinterest app and then just make sure you're logged into your account. Now from here, just open the video that you wish to download to your camera roll. So for example, we have this fireworks video right here. So we're just going to open this and then just tap on the three dots right here. And then we're going to go ahead and copy link. Now from here, we're just going to open any browser of your preference. And then we're going to search for this website called Pinterest Video Downloader. All right, so we're going to use this to download the Pinterest video that we just copied. So we're going to go ahead and open this. And then paste the link right over here. Tap on download and then wait for them to process the link. So here we're just going to scroll down and then select force download video. So this is going to save that Pinterest video to our camera roll. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.